Speeding up audio in Brisk Audio. The Speed Up tool in Brisk Audio increases playback speed without changing pitch. To begin, click on the Effects tab on the left side. Select Speed Up from the menu. At the top right, select your file from the drop-down, or click Upload Audio File to bring in a new one. Beneath the waveform, use the Speed Up % control to set playback speed above 100% to make the audio faster. You can enter the value manually in the text field or move the slider to the right to increase the speed. For convenience, common presets can be selected in the drop-down, such as 1.5x, 2x, or 4x speed. Always preview the results before finalizing to ensure the audio meets your requirements. Once ready, click the Speed Up button to apply the change. Click Download to save the adjusted file to your device. Tip: keep in mind that very high speeds may reduce intelligibility, so choose a balance between speed and clarity, depending on your needs. For more Brisk Audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.